VARINDIA News Hour. The key trends and opportunities to impact 5G in 2022. 5G is inevitable and the increased demand from the consumers will drive revenue growth in 2022. With this, network cost could double as operators strive to meet demand for increased capacity and deploy 5G. The 5G rollout in India in 2022 will witness enterprises and network providers seeking use cases to implement 5G in business operations. This will see business use of 5G move out of its nascency and the adoption of advanced features such as ultra-reliability low-latency communications, that is URLLC, and Massive Machine Type Communicators, that is mMTC, for faster and better results. The ecosystem will expand to include public cloud providers and new open infrastructure for an open 5G ecosystem, delivering private 5G networks with more capabilities. 5G is expected to bring in better connectivity, a promise of quicker digital functions, more flexibility and wider reach, enhanced customer experiences, and easier management of data-driven processes. Capitalizing on these opportunities will help organizations improve their productivity and enable them to save and devote the necessary time for operations that are intrinsic to innovations and business successes. With 5G, enterprises will also be able to connect with their customers across wider markets with ease and efficiency. While India's 5G journey is yet to begin, the existing digital ecosystem already offers global vendors and networks huge opportunities to provide technical expertise. We expect to witness the beginning of an accelerated 5G infrastructure deployment serving both urban and rural India by the first half of 2022. This development will boost smartphone penetration and provide a new dimension to India's digital revolution, leading to the adoption of advanced technologies such as the Internet of Things, industrial IoT, edge computing, and robotics across industries like agriculture, e-commerce, healthcare, education, and pharma. Organizations are also realizing the benefits of private 5G networks. These include the flexibility of control over applications and devices, high bandwidth and low latency support for AI and ML use cases involving thousands of endpoints, and a capacity to generate large volumes of data within a single facility. Private 5G networks will be instrumental in tackling the growing demands of edge-based, data-intensive workloads and delivering seamless and simplified solutions for organizations. Going forward, India is expected to create an impact of more than $1 trillion by 2035 and pave the path for a new wave of innovations that can transform communities. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Vedanta partners with Foxconn for manufacturing semiconductors. Vedanta has signed an agreement with Taiwan's Hon Hai Technology Group, better known as Foxconn, to manufacture semiconductors in India after the government announced a 76,000 crore production-linked incentive scheme for semiconductor and display manufacturing in an attempt to boost local production. According to the Memorandum of Understanding, Vedanta will hold the majority stake while Foxconn will be the minority shareholder. Vedanta's chairman Anil Agarwal will head the joint venture. QR code Super Bowl ad crashes Coinbase app. American cryptocurrency exchange platform Coinbase made its Super Bowl debut with a 60-second advertisement inspired by the bouncing DVD logo meme. Coinbase Chief Product Officer Surojit Chatterjee tweeted that the company had witnessed more traffic than it ever encountered. He said Coinbase had to throttle traffic for a few minutes, but noted that operations were back and running. When scanned, the code brought viewers to Coinbase's promotional website, offering a limited time promotion of $15 worth of free Bitcoin to new signups, along with a $3 million giveaway that customers can enter. Softline acquires Umbrella Infocare. Softline announces the signing of an agreement to acquire Delhi-based cloud services company Umbrella Infocare in line with the company's three-dimensional growth strategy. This acquisition will form the basis for creating Softline's global AWS Center of Excellence for customers in almost 60 countries, giving them access to market-leading cloud engineering and development services. The deal also demonstrates Softline's ambition to continue its phenomenal pace of growth in India, where the public cloud services market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 21.5% for 2020 to 2025. ASMTechnologies invests in Lavelle Networks. ASMTechnologies Limited has done a follow-on investment in Lavelle Networks, the Bangalore-based leader in SD-WAN technology in India. Telecommunications giant Bharti Airtel has also invested in Lavelle for the first time. ASMTechnologies has been a partner of Lavelle Networks since its initial years, and last year even set up a Center of Excellence for Software-Defined Networking jointly in Bengaluru. Lavelle Networks had been named in the latest batch of the Google for Startups Accelerator India program, which helps high-potential Indian technology startups to build and scale in its initial years. 54 more Chinese apps banned by the government. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued another ban on Chinese origin apps. This order reportedly targets apps run by the Chinese tech giants Tencent, Alibaba and NetEase, and apparently includes rebranded versions of apps that have already been banned in past orders. Garena Free Fire, a massively popular first-person shooter game, is among the apps banned. The game listing is indeed gone from app marketplaces. Starting with TikTok in 2020, the government had blocked over 200 apps as an apparent result of skirmishes between India and China along border areas that started around that time. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.